What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It is me, Adila. Nice to meet you. If you're new to my channel, then definitely consider subscribing. You can do it right now if you wish to do that. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. And if you're a returning subscriber, then thank you for coming back. So for today's video, as you can see, I have an unboxing. Sorry about that. How rude to abruptly text me. So I ticked off a wish list item. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know what this is. But if you do already know what this is, then let's just pretend you don't. And please do enjoy and watch this video. Yeah, with this one, I revealed it over there first because I couldn't wait. And I wanted to reveal it, so there we go. I just really wanted to use it and I've been using it. Okay, shush. Too much. It's that time again. It's that time again. Sing it with me, baby. It's whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Wow. Okay, let's unbox. It is this. It is I in the bag. Okay, yeah. In that bag is this little box. Within this box is, are you ready? Okay, it is the Chanel Snap card holder. Oh, she's a diva. She's so pretty. I am obsessed with this colour combination. This leather green, caviar detail, gold hardware. My God, is she gracious. This is the one that does have the Mona Lisa pocket in the back. This is a 30 series, 2021. I did get it from the boutique. I already told you guys. I will not be paying over retail anymore, so I did indeed wait to get this from the boutique, and that's what I did. I didn't pay over for it, I just paid retail plus tax, of course. Shipment on these are really slow. Initially when I first wanted it, which was last year, I don't know, from October maybe? Didn't think it would be a hard piece to get, but it turns out it was. So my SA finally got one in, and there we go. And there is a little bit of backstory on this, so definitely check out my Instagram post if you want to know a little bit more on that situation. But anyways, yes, I bought this one and I love it. I'm so happy I've managed to tick this off my wish list. Honestly, it speaks for itself. I know it's just a card holder and it's pretty much very simple and basic in its nature, but that's what I love. Okay. I remember I told you I'm obsessing over black and I love gold hardware always. I don't only silver hardware on my bags. Obsessing over this colour combination, obsessing over this colour in general. I mean, black is beautiful. So yes, I'm so happy I managed to find this and take it off my list. As soon as I got this, I unboxed her. I unboxed the Beiges and I started using it ASAP, the same day, and I've been using it for the last 2-3 weeks now. It has this front little slip pocket, and it also has the burgundy lining interior. It has the embossing here. It is a snap closure. Let us ASMR that. Hold on a minute. Hold up. Wait. That sound gives me joy. It does. I don't know what else to say about this card holder, but if you made it this far, then thank you for watching. Absolutely in love with it. It's the simple things in life that just, yes. I am more excited about this than some of my other pieces. That's a problem. I just love it. I just love it. I love it. I think it's adorable. I think it's so cute. It's beautiful. Yeah, I know some of you managed to also get your hands on this item recently in the same time that I did. Some of you shared that information with me, so congratulations to all of you as well. And if you've bought anything recently, congratulations on your new beauties. We'll do a comparison, what fits, how many cards, la 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 la, in a different video. But for now, that shall be it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then definitely consider doing that as well, because I sometimes announce things over there first, or just new releases and exclusive information. Please do stick around if you want to watch some more. Definitely click through some of my other videos that you haven't watched, or rewatch them if you fancy. I will link them over here for you guys. Yeah, I'm in a good mood today, if you can't tell already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.